never sleeps. Amidst the noise and chaos, a tranquil soul keeps. Eli, with eyes closed, finds peace in his breath, unlocking the secret to calm in the quiet depth. In the garden of serenity, he finds his way. Through the power of meditation, night and day. Sunflowers in his mind, swaying with ease, a reminder of beauty, a life of peace. A gentle stranger's gift, a pamphlet so wise, led Eli to the journey where true happiness lies. Before the dawn breaks, he sits in the still, leaving behind the world's woes, finding his fill. In the garden of serenity, he finds his way. Through the power of meditation, night and day. Sunflowers in his mind, swaying with ease, a reminder of beauty, a life of peace. As the city slows down, chaos turns to grace. With every soul that Eli touched in this place, the collective heartbeat shifts, harmony takes flight. From concrete jungles blooms a garden of light. In the garden of serenity, he finds his way. Through the power of meditation, night and day. Sunflowers in his mind, swaying with ease, a reminder of beauty, a life of peace. Eli's journey spreads wide, healing like the sun. In Marigold, the clamor fades, peace has just begun. Through introspection, a simple yet profound act, the city's heart now beats in a serene track.